Hello everybody, today I will be painting on the top of this trunk. So one of my mom's friends sent us this earlier. I included it in one of my other videos. But today I will be trying to paint something like that on top of this trunk. And I got a puppy, his name's Ollie. So I got an acrylic paint set, and I got some brushes as well. So I've already run into one problem, and that's these. They're nails, so there's no way I can put them out and put them back in like I could with a screw. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tape them up and then paint around them. So I got my paint out on the table, and I'm gonna start mixing, and then I will start painting. First, I will be making brown. So I'm just gonna mix a bunch of the colors together.
Later.
So I've gotten a lot done of it, and yeah, it looks pretty good so far. I've got the barn, I've got the ground, and I've done some of the trees in the background. And I also started a tractor over here. Now all I gotta do is put my signature down at the bottom. There we go, all done. I think it looks really cool. It's not quite as good as this one, but it does look pretty good. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and I want to give a shout out to Caleb G. We all miss you, and we're hope you're having a fun time at your new school. See you later.